Hi kids, welcome to Python Learning with Codey. Welcome to the amazing world of Python, where we use our imagination to build fun games, solve puzzles, and become coding superheroes. My name is Codey the Python, and I will be your friendly guide. So grab your curiosity and let's start our Python journey together. So in this video we are going to learn about Python. So what is Python? Python is a type of computer language, but don't worry, it is one of the easiest and friendliest one to learn. It helps us tell the computer what to do using simple words and logic. Even kids can learn it to create games, stories or solve puzzles. Python is a computer language used to build games, applications, website and many more. Simple and easy to learn, created by kids, beginners and professionals. Why learn Python as a kid? Learning Python makes you a great thinker and make a great maker. It helps you solve problems, create games and even talk to robots. And guess what? You don't need to be a grown up to be a coder. Start now and become a coding superhero. So let's get started. So first lesson we are going to see is Hello kids. Hello kids, welcome to your first Python adventure. Today we will say hello using code. Are you ready? Let's go. So okay, we will start the coding. So print is a Python function. So inside this bracket, whatever we give, it will print out. So we are going to print something like hello Python. So what it will do? To run this code, we have to press the run code button available here. So if you press run code, this Python program will run this code and will print the output. So let us see what will be the output. Can you guess what will be the output? Let us see now. Hello Python. So whatever the print function is a Python function. So whatever given inside this double quotation mark will be printed out. So this is the simple program. So hello Python. So next we will see another one example same like this. So print inside this parenthesis we'll put my name is Codey the Python. So we are given two print statement. First statement is hello Python. Second one is print my name is Codey Python. So to run this code, once again we have to press run code. So let's run this code and see what will be the output. So first line will be printed hello Python. Second my name is Codey Python will be printed. So this is the first program we have created today in the Python programming. So use print to talk to your computer. Python talks in text. You tell it what to say. So what to say, whatever inside the print function, whatever given in the double quotation will be printed out. So that means this program is talking with the computer using this text. So the output will be printed out. So next one we are going to see variables. So let us tell Python about ourselves using variables. A variable is like a box to store things. So variable is a box to store things. So how you store your pencil, pen into some box, right? Same like that in the programming world, a variable will hold the value. So some value we assign to that variable, it will hold that variable. So whatever we are putting our things into our box, right? The same way the variables will be hold the numbers or the word, the characters or strings. So a equal to 10. So what here a is a variable and we are assigning 10 to that variable. That means it will create some memory location and in that location it will put this 10. So how to print this inside? What is the value inside this variable? So do that print function will be used. Print a. So it will run and print the value inside this variable. So let us run this code and see what will be the output. See. So this two print function will be printed. And last one, whatever we created the variable, inside that variable we assigned number 10 that will be printed in the using this print statement. So what variable? So variable is like a box to store things. Okay. So you should remember this one. So this is a numeric variable. So number variable. How to store the character variable or string variable? String is a word in a Python is a string. Say for example name equal to Sandil Kumar. So this is a string variable. Name will be the string variable and a will be the numerical variable, number variable, input number variable. Let us say number variable first. So how to print this name? So using print function, my name is, put in the comma the variable name. So if we put this variable name, so it will print my name is, then whatever given in the variable name that will be printed out. Let us see what will be the output. See. So hello Python, my name is Codey the Python. Next the a value, whatever the a holding, that is printed out, and the name variable shows a string. So the word Sindil Kumar. So it is print the name. My name is Sindil Kumar. Okay, that's all today lesson. We will learn more about Python in coming lessons. Okay. Want to try it yourself? Head over to our special coding playground made just for you. You can run all the code from today's video and even try it your own. I have given the URL in the video description. You can utilize that one. Great job, super coders. You just wrote your first Python program and learned how to use variables. Amazing work. I am Codey the Python and I cannot wait to see you in the next video where we will learn some math logic with Python. Don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe so we can keep coding together. See you soon. Bye bye.